There are two main assumptions to work. 1/electricity saving box will adjust the voltage signal, filter the noisy voltage signal into a pure sine wave electrical signal. With this job, electricity saving box will increase the power efficiency for the consuming load. It sounds reasonable, but the truth is not exactly like that. Because engineers use voltage signal meters, the graph on the electricity signal meter is still in pure sine wave form. Here I am talking about the electricity grid of countries supplying to people. Thus, adjusting the electricity signal is unnecessary, and even if adjusted, it is useless, because the signal is inherently beautiful like a pure sine wave. There is no need to transform the electricity signal anymore. 2. The next theory is that electricity saving box will reduce the reactive power of the load. A simple example is when a water pump, or an induction motor in general, will have reactive power on the coils. Induction motor manufacturers have installed additional capacitors to compensate for the power, in order to reduce the reactive power. It is known that electricity saving box has a capacitor inside attached to the electronic circuit, but the capacitor has the main function. But the capacitor will no longer play a role when electric motors and electricity consuming loads in general do not need capacitors to reduce reactive power anymore. So why does electricity saving box still exist on the market for many years and cause much controversy? In fact, the operating theory of this device uses another science, which is the pre-1930 science of Charles Proteus Steinmetz, notably his book Elementary Lectures on Electric Discharges, Waves and Impulses, and Other Transients. With Steinmetz's theory, there is no such thing as electrons traveling in an electrical wire. To put it bluntly, electrons do not exist. Electric current is the movement of the dielectric field, which consists of electric lines of force on the outside of the wire. There is nothing inside the metal that makes the wire move or vibrate, it only generates heat because there is a vortex of ether around it, which is the magnetic field. Electricity saving box will increase the electric lines of force, leading to an increase in the current on the wire when installed in parallel with the load consuming electricity. This effect is small, invisible to the naked eye, but enough to significantly reduce the electricity bill. However, inside it, the special capacitor like the wall will very quickly fail after a few months. So this is a periodic setting of the seller. The manufacturers have created this unique capacitor and given it a certain lifespan. There are some other electricity saving boxes, with similar technology, but much more durable, but few people find them on the internet. This device has the features mentioned, but is durable, and has the added feature of being a secondary power source installed in parallel with the load. I have compiled a list of some of the best energy savers that actually work and last. So check it out on my Ultimate Energizer Guide blog. The Ultimate Energizer Complete Ultimate Energizer Guide. This technology is essentially an improvement on the Joule Thief circuit and Don Smith's circuit, resulting in a unique version. The deep origin of the Ultimate Energizer generator traces back to Nikola Tesla's innovations. Tesla's invention of the bifiller coil and regulator for dynamo electrical machines is documented in the Complete Ultimate Energizer Guide. The Joule Thief circuit and Don Smith's circuit, although capable of producing output energy greater than input energy, are primarily intended for free energy researchers. Those who demonstrate these circuits often do not share the secrets of generating electricity to power household appliances. The Complete Ultimate Energizer Guide reveals the secrets of generating electricity using electronic components and coils, with power output depending on the system's expansion. This sets it apart from the Joule Thief circuit and Don Smith's circuit, which are commonly shared online. Moreover, the circuit described in the Ultimate Energizer Guide is unique and distinct from the Joule Thief circuit and Don Smith's circuit. The Complete Ultimate Energizer Guide also includes many other instructions and hidden technologies that have been concealed for many years. This digital document is worthy of study and practical application. I recommend reading more reviews of the Complete Ultimate Energizer Guide on my Ultimate Energizer Guide blog. Also, check out additional instructions for generating free electricity at home. Good luck!